Jackson. Welcome to Life Aqua.
Negocio, ¿cómo
El nombre de...
se llama? El nombre de
¿La compañía?
My company. Sí. Transporte a mí.
¿Cómo es que se llama el chamaco?
Okay, so we've just flown in from North Carolina, Charlotte Metro Airport. We've arrived here in Punta Cana to the airport in Punta Cana. It's very warm and humid, even though there's rain and wet outside. We've got our driver who's going to take us to the Live Aqua Resort. From what my research tells me, very nice. So I'm here with my two beautiful daughters, two of my beautiful daughters. And we'll give you a lot more video of the beautiful resort and what goes on down here, what we're doing. So more to come. Stay tuned.
Ya La Vega pertenece al norte.
Norte
Yo vivo en el sur.
norte de La Vega.
Sí, La Vega es el norte.
Okay.
La Vega, Bonao,
Oh.
Santiago, Puerto Plata es el norte.
Oh,
My
so
brother
cerca
is-
Puerto Plata?
Es,
Ah, yes, yes. Practicando mi español. Cada día.
muy bien.
Amigos, compañeros que hablan español en Estados Unidos.
Mejor para aprenderlo.
Sí, es muy importante.
Sí.
Yo nací en el estado de California.
California.
Muy gentes hablan.
Español.
Sí, yeah. California fue parte de México en historia.
California, Texas.
Sí.
Eran parte de México.
Sí. Antes la guerra.
Pero mucho terreno. mucho.
Estados Unidos robado.
Lo cogió prestado.
robado porque mucho tresor en estos estados.
Son muy tigres.
En California dorado, mucho dorado, porque Estados Unidos robado.
Sí.
¿Tiene animales?
Esos que están ahí no son real. No son. Dentro sí. hay
Es una
estatua.
un broma.
Tres personas.
You see that?
Jackson. This is for the bags.
Un momento.
Mi nombre es Sean Jackson.
Yeah.
Con limón. Limón is lime here.
Lime. Lime. And honey. Honey. Also
Oh, honey.
No, she's got
Oh, I don't know. Right here? Okay, we got everything?
This is your number 531318. And I am your bird boy for today.
Johan?
Johan.
Johan.
Yeah.
Oh, Johan, it's like tu nombre es alemán,
Alemán.
pero su es Dominican.
Dominican.
See, or Haiti.
Dominican.
Dominican.
Yeah. May I have your last name?
Jackson.
Jackson.
Yeah,
Family Jackson.
Sí.
Jackson.
Welcome to Life Aqua.
So where are we doing it?
Up there. You can push the button number 2 for the third floor. Your number is
What's number 2 for the third floor?
exactly. We have 0, 1, and 2.
Okay. All right. You sure you want me to help?
No, don't worry.
No? Okay, all right.
Oh, wow.
Nice, nice, nice. What's this? Oh, that's the water closet. Oh, wow. That's very nice.
So right here you have the master light. That is for you to turn off and on the light. Okay. So this is the control AC too. But if you left the door, the balcony open or the door open, turn off automatic. Okay.
Okay.
And right here you have the main room service, the QR code.
Okay.
The extension direct is 9208. Okay.
I'm sorry, what is?
Extension.
Oh, where
For
we
your car.
at?
Exactly. It's 9208.
Okay, 24/7 room
Yes,
service.
sir.
Oh, I like that. I like
And
that.
right here you have the mini bar is also included.
Oh, so everything in there is
It's
included.
included.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right. All right.
And the sidewalk.
Okay. How does that work?
You have instruction right here.
Right there?
You
Okay.
put phone number, whatever you want, and
Okay.
number sync for block.
Okay.
The same process for you lock.
The pound sign.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Hot tea and coffee. Right here you have the beach bag, sandal, and a slipper. The beach bag you can use it, but if you want to bring back to home, before you pay $55, okay?
But okay, for the bag, but the sandals.
For the beach bag, the sandals and the slipper is included.
Okay. All right.
And you have the wraps right here.
Oh, okay. Now you don't take those home, right?
No, you can't take it.
Okay.
Here you have the secret box. The secret box is when you order some food, you can say to room service for left the delivery in the secret box for you, okay? When you're done, when you finish, you can bring back the other stuff right here, the disher, and you can put right here again, and you can call to room service for they send somebody pick up.
There's a door on the outside of it, of the room, where we can tell them to leave the food in the box.
Right here you have D&D, no service and service. Do not disturb.
Oh, it's electronic.
Yeah.
What if we sleep late and we've got it set to
Exactly.
red? They won't. They'll just come back and clean up later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
How
but
they-
if you want for somebody for the housekeeper come for clean your room, if you keep the light off, you know.
Okay.
When you keep on, is you say right here, anybody come to my room.
Okay. So we got to turn it off even if we ordered room service.
Exactly. If
Okay.
you turn off, the room service can come inside
Okay.
and the housekeeper too.
Okay. If it's on at 9:30, but we wait till late in the morning to turn it off, will they still clean the room that day?
Exactly.
Okay.
All day.
All day? Oh, okay,
All,
okay.
all day and the night too.
Oh, okay, great.
And right here you have the True Dreams. The True Dreams is a special pillow. If you want to change the pillow, you have the menu right here and different type scents.
So is there something piping scents into the room?
Yeah, you have, no, they have some spray.
Let's spray. And the pillows, you
And
just
the pillow, they change the pillow, you have the option right here.
to order what,
For your order, choose that zero.
like softness or hardness?
Exactly.
Okay.
You
Oh,
have the jacuzzi right here.
oh, wow.
Mosquitos?
Mosquito, no. No mosquito.
You can see the, is this the Caribbean Sea?
Yeah, the Caribbean is over there.
And that's the one of the restaurants?
Yeah, this is the restaurant for lunch. We have two over there, Usurwan and Miraflores.
Okay, this is nice. This is nice. What's the most popular excursion in your opinion?
Oh,
for family
sauna.
people. We don't drink and
You don't
Oh,
drink?
no,
Sauna
no.
Island is more better, or Boogie.
what?
Sauna.
What is
Sauna Island.
Iceland? What's there?
That's they take you, you know, outside to Dominican Republic in the beach, in the ocean. They take you to the small island.